Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey and Daytona, Florida. So we are just now getting around to posting the giveaway build of the Soundqubed audio install that we did. So this was on a road glide. This is the contest winner for the Soundqubed. We ended up going with tweeters in the grills, 6.5 in the fairing, 6.5 in the tour pack, and 6 fines in the lids. And we used the Soundqubed 1400 watt amp. So it was a factory GTS radio that we flashed. We ended up using the Soundqubed BGA 1400. Amplifier in the fairing. We ended up going with a set of HDX SQ TW22. In the grills, and we ended up going with 4 of the HDC PA6 SL-4 Neo 6.5 drivers, 2 in the fairing and 2 in the tour pack. In the lids, we ended up going with a set of BGS CX 694SL. The bike sounded amazing. We added a DSP, of course, to get it dialed in. Check out the build. What I like the most about this build is these tweeters. These tweeters are really nice. We're going to be using them. We're going to be stocking them. They fit beautifully in the grill. If you have the grill with the little indent, you drill that out, use a hole saw, and the tweeter fits in there perfectly. It's nice and slim. It doesn't hit the speaker, and it's titanium, so it plays nice and loud without that harshness of a horn. You'll hear it in the video.
Now here I go again, I see the crystal visions. I keep my visions to myself. Something's got a hold on me lately. Dices que no tengo agallas, que soy un payaso, que le doy de todo, que estoy atrapado y que ya ha cambiado mi forma de ser. Dices que te arrepentiste, que ya lo pensaste, que no eres la misma que sin mí lloraste y que aún mereces todo mi querer. Déjame solo vivir esta vida que